guys, this actually you knew how to build 4 Skibidi toilet builds. First, this is your favorite, the Strider. Now I just get last time I just get a Skibidi set. Now I got these 3 tentacle pieces. So this is so amazing. Yay! First, you need to get this piece. If you have this piece, it's the rarest piece in the whole. If you think it's not rarest, it's rarest. Now you get this black piece. Now you place it right here, like this. Also, if there's like here, you much need to place it. Also, my hand is turning to green. Also, I have to do this fast if I turn to Slurpee. So you get another one like this. Now you need to place this piece right here, a plate. Now you need to take this piece right here. Make sure I remember these. First, now you like that. Now get this piece right here. Don't see that. Like that. Now it should be like this. Look at this plate. You can do a square or a circle if you want to copy this. Now you need to get this piece right here. Now you place it right here. There. Now you have to place it right here. So part 2 is coming soon, because I don't like to make this video super long time, so I need to get premium to long time videos. Okay, add the head. There you go. That's a Skibidi Strider right there. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Like and comment and share. Also, if you want to make it like this, not like this. Okay, next build.